Hi guys, and I'm on the pound USD charts and I'm about to enter a sell trade. I've just had a signal, all the signals line up here on this candle, and I'm going to set my stop loss and my take profit. I'm going to set my stop far away, but just above this closest support line here. And just to begin with, I'm going to target just over, or close to rather, this resistance line. So just to bear with me a moment while I set my stop loss level. And there we go. And I'm going to take my take profit just above this line here. So let me set that. And we're going to enter a sell trade. So on the chart we can see my stop loss and my take profit target levels. I'm just looking to have a quick trade on this one. So let's see how this goes. I'll be back soon on this pound USD 15-minute chart. And I'm back, and we can see that I'm still in the trade and I'm about $100 in profit. So I'll pause and come back shortly again. And I'm back, and we're just waiting for the line, and there we go. Target's been hit. Okay, and we've got the trade open. You can see we got into the trade, and we can see we entered here, exited there, and in just 45 minutes or so we made over $440 profit. Excellent trade. Thanks for watching, guys.